Alright everybody, welcome back to another turn of Operation Outer Space. This will be turn 5 for Japan. That's July of 1938. As always, we'll start with the tech rolls. We'll be rolling for LRA and Heavy Armor again, both rolling with a hit of 8 or higher. 11 on Heavy Armor, that is a hit. And LRA just will not do it, that is a 5 and a miss. On to purchases, we have 21 to spend. We're declaring spending 20. We'll be purchasing one stage of a fleet carrier, 2 marines, 1 airborne, not an elite airborne. There we go. And 1 light tank, for a total of 20, leaving 1 saved. Alright, we have no combats to declare, straight on to the non-combat movement phase. We'll start from P-32. We have 1 destroyer moving up to P-15, picking up 1 marine from Kyushu, and then returning to P-32, where the marine will disembark onto Formosa. But that path gets in the way of the others, so we'll do that one first. Okay, from the same sea zone, 1 naval transport will move over into P-33, pick up an infantry from Okinawa, move north into P-15, pick up an artillery from Kyushu, and then move over into P-14, where both of those units will disembark into Manchuria. And we have the rest of the 6th Fleet from P-32 moving north into P-14 as well. And lastly, we have, at least for that sea zone, we have a Siamese destroyer moving from P-50, 1, 2, 3, also into P-14. The Siamese TBD will be moving to P-32. Just hang out there too. Do believe that covers all of our naval movements. Yeah. So up in Manchuria, from northern Manchuria, we have 1 mountain infantry railing to the 41st Army, 1 motor infantry driving to the 41st, towing an artillery. Cavalry makes his way over, and the infantry that remains is walking into western Manchuria. The 18th Army, or 18th Air Force, is flying to Korea. 1 fighter and 2 tactical bombers will be making their way to the 2nd Fleet instead. That should cover all of our non-combat movements. So on to the placement phase. We'll start with the recruit roll. Siam will be rolling for a recruitment with a hit on a 1 or less. That's 5 and a miss. Collecting our income, we collect 19 up to 20. We've already moved our fleet carrier stage and the other units. We placed 1 marine in Manchuria and the other 3 units in Kyushu. With that, everything should most definitely be in place to pass things along for the next British, Commonwealth, and French player, which would be MadManDan. So we'll leave it at that and say best of luck on your next rolls.